Hey guys, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet fancy jackets designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and extremely designs shown to you people in it. So you guys can see different designs in it, different colors are being shown to you which you have never seen before. Watch the full video. Every video is very beautiful for you guys. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such designs. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. So friends, let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me know in the comment box what you guys like to see. Let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Stay with me. Will remember in prayer. Take care and bye.